Hey, this is Mini Twist Crochets. You don't believe it? Keep watching. Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you how I was able to make this mini twist crochet from start to finish using a rosemary kinky bulk hair. Yes, you heard me, okay? So if this is something that interests you, wanna keep on watching, do not miss out any detail because I'm gonna be spilling the beans and how you can make this from start to finish. So you definitely don't want to miss out any detail at all.
Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you. White out skies, middle November.
So yeah, I just took out the strand that was required for the size of twist that I wanted. So this is the size that I wanted. It's very easy to detangle this. Just take out the strands and then just separate into two. Take out the quantity that is needed for your twist and just pass it through like that, making sure that it's a bit lengthy. You want to just take half part and put the other part, and you have a bit length of twist. So this is the trick. You want to make sure that you create a loop first, and then the thing about this twist is that you want to have a tension, like you are drawing it downwards while you are passing the hair from your left hand to your right hand. Mind you, you're not twisting. You are not twisting. You're just passing the hair from the left hand to the right hand, like so, while you're pulling it downwards. In that way, the fact that you're pulling it downwards, you will have a perfect twist, like the hair will just be bouncy. So make sure that you are not twisting. You're just passing the hair from the left hand to the right hand, okay, and you will get the amazing twist that you need. So just keep on watching so that you don't miss out any detail. And if you want to see different styles that I'll be installing this hairstyle, make sure you watch this video to the end, because I'm going to be showing you different go-to hairstyles that you can actually rock with this hair, as well as installation of this crochet mini twist. So just keep on watching, lovelies. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section, and make sure to give this video a very huge thumbs up, and also follow me on my other social network that is on the right hand side of this video, Miz Sandy on Instagram. Let's connect, let's be friends. So when you get to the very end of the twist, you just want to twirl it like so, and you have that curls that is needed for the twist. So this is how the twist is looking like. Very, very bouncy and very beautiful. And this happens to be my very first time of making a kinky crochet twist. I have never done it before, neither have I put it on my hair before. So I'm really glad that I made this easy for me. So if you're that kind of person that you do not want stress, obviously I don't think there's anybody that wants stress in this life. So I feel like this hairstyle will actually work for you, especially if you just want something easy and you do not have any knowledge, especially when it comes to braiding your hair yourself. You can just get somebody to just cornrow your hair for you with the cornrow pattern that I'll be showing you in this video, and then just use your crochet pin. It's very easy. I'm going to be showing you how I was able to use my crochet pin to crochet this on my hair. So it's very, very easy. Okay, so do not worry. Make sure you watch this video so you don't miss out any detail at all, and make sure you remember that you are not twisting. You are just passing the hair from your left hand to your right hand, okay, from your left hand to your right hand. And that is just, and make sure that when you're passing the hair from the left to the right hand, that you're just pulling it downwards, like there's a tension of you pulling the hair downwards while you are passing it from your left hand to your right hand, and you will get a perfect twist. No jokes at all, like on period, you will get a perfect twist. So lovelies, I'm just gonna leave you to watch this video to the very end, and let me know what you think about the hair, the installation, and the different styles. Which one are you going to be rocking if you try this hairstyle? Okay lovelies, keep on watching.
Just a face in a crowd, and now I can't imagine me with anybody else. As we close out the night underneath the lilac sky, summer high, met you in August, New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you. White out skies, middle November, you and I, flights to wherever. I don't mind as long as it's with you. As long as it's with you. As long as with you. New Year's Eve, 300 miles, counting down. Next year will be close. I will wait as long as it's fake. Blue, the feeling behind my eyes. You stood out 'cause you were in red. Then, against my intentions, I let you turn me violet instead. Summer high, met you in August. New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you. White out skies, middle November.
So this is our mini twist, and in total this is about 130 strands of twists. The amazing thing about this is that if you want to serve this as a business, you can actually do this. You know, just pack your mini twists in different sections of hair and actually sell it. So this is the cornrow pattern that I use in installing this. I'm going to be showing you how I was able to install the twist to my hair using a crochet pin. So if you don't have an idea on how to do this, just keep on watching. So I was just tucking in the remaining hair part of my hair inside the cornrow. So this is basically how to cornrow your twist on your hair if you do not have an idea on how to do this. So make sure to watch this video to the very end, because like I said, I'll be showing you the different styles that you can actually rock this hairstyle. So don't go anywhere, lovelies. Keep on watching.
We met at where you were just a face in a crowd, and now I can't imagine me with anybody else. As we close out the night underneath the lilac sky. Summer high, met you in August. New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you. White out skies, middle November. You and I, flights to wherever. I don't mind as long as it's with you. As long as it's with you. As long as it's with you. As long as it's with you.
So lovelies, this is the hair. Okay, this is mini twist crochet. I'm sure you haven't seen any video like this before. Yes, definitely. So this is very easy, it is lightweight, it's something you can actually rock in different styles: mid parts, side parts, half up, half down, or even two buns, or even all back. Any kind of style you can rock this and your hair will come out looking very stylish and chic. I know some of you all might be finding it very hard to actually, you know, do different styles on your hair, especially when it's braid. It's actually very hard, I know, but I am here, so I'm giving you some easy go-to hairstyles that you can actually try by yourself. And sometimes you just want to create some magic and just, you know, get that style that you've been seeing on the internet. Yes, I get you, don't worry. Okay. Let's just add some fun to this and, you know, make it all easy for you. So lovelies, keep on watching and let me know what you think about this video. Are you gonna be trying out these hairstyles? Is this something you would love to try out? Like, this hairstyle does give me that face lifts, like natural face lifts, no surgery, natural face lifts. So let me know if you're gonna be trying this hairstyle, and subscribe to my channel if you're looking for that office kind of classy hairstyle. You can actually try this out. So that is all for today's video. Make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.